This animation illustrates the repair of a torn Achilles tendon using threads anchored to the calcaneus. An incision is made through the skin above the tear to allow access to the torn filaments of the tendon. The damaged portion of the superior part of the Achilles tendon is accessed through the incision and pulled tight using forceps. Threads are then passed through the body of the tendon, which are collected and pulled out through the incision. Holes are drilled in the calcaneus. The threads are then passed through the substance of the inferior part of the torn tendon and anchored into the calcaneus using screws.